how to check login account in Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can check login account in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check login accounts on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook app here. Once you launch a Facebook app, just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy, then just go to settings. This time when you go to settings, tap on the option called account center, then just tap on it. Once you find account center and tap on it, here you'll find a section where it says password and security, so just tap on password and security. Once you do that, here you'll be able to find an option called where you are logged in, so you just need to tap on it. When you tap on where you're logged in, you have to select your Facebook account from the list, and basically you'll be able to see a list of all the devices where your Facebook account is logged in. So you can just select either of this device, just tap the logout button, and your Facebook account will be successfully removed from those accounts. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually check your login account on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.